Discover 7 myths about the human brain that will surprise you. The human brain is a fascinating and complex organ, but it is also the subject of many myths and misconceptions. Let's explore 7 of these myths and debunk them with science-based information. Get ready, because the last myths are the most intriguing. And if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any content. Watch this video and you will be surprised at the end. Do we only use 10% of our brain? One of the most widespread myths is that we only use 10% of our brain. The truth is that virtually every part of the brain has a known function, and neuroimaging studies show that many areas of the brain are active, even when we are resting. Is the human brain rigid and unchanging? Another common myth is that the human brain cannot change after a certain age. The reality is that the brain is highly plastic, which means it can reorganize its neural connections in response to new experiences, learning, and even injuries at any age. Are right-handed people more rational? Are left-handed people more creative? The idea that right-handed and left-handed people have significant differences in terms of rationality and creativity is a myth. In fact, the laterality of the brain is much more complex, and both hemispheres participate in various types of cognitive activities. If you are enjoying this content, leave a like and comment below what you find most interesting. Don't leave the video now, as we still have more amazing content for you. Is the brain completely unknown? Although the brain is incredibly complex, saying that it is completely unknown is not true. In recent decades, neuroscience has made advances in understanding how the brain works, from molecular mechanisms to behavior and cognition. Are male and female brains radically different? There is a myth that there are major structural and functional differences between male and female brains. However, studies show that the differences are minimal and that there is a large overlap between the two sexes. Both brains work in a very similar way. Do humans have the largest brain proportional to their body? It is the belief that humans have the largest brain in proportion to their body size. Although we have a large and complex brain, there are other animals, such as some birds and primates, that have proportionally larger brains in relation to their body size. Does listening to classical music make people smarter? Known as the Mozart effect, this myth suggests that listening to classical music increases intelligence. While music can temporarily improve mood and concentration, there is no scientific evidence that it permanently increases intelligence. And tell me in the comments, what theme would you like to see in the next videos? Thank you very much for watching this far.